In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Fortnite on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, you have to press this options button on your PS5 controller. Then here, go to add friends. And here you will see three types of things: find player by display name, invite friends, and recent players. So first, if you want to find your friend by display name, go on the search bar, press X, and then enter here your friend's username, and then go on done and press X. Now wait for a few seconds, and from here find your friend and press X. Now here you will see the add friend option. Go on it and press X, and the friend request is sent. Now if you want to see your friend invites, go on friend invites and press X. And here if you want to see your recent player, go on it and press X. If you want to add a friend from recent player, go on that friend name, and then here go on that friend's name, and here you will see the add friends button. So I have already added this as my friend, so that's why I'm not seeing that option, but here you will see, and then you can add them as your friend. And so this is how you can add friends on Fortnite on your PS5. Thanks for watching.